Yeah, hi, it's Martin here from Design For You, and today's video, very excited about this. It's a new update on the Thrive Architect plugin, and it's all about symbols, and I'll explain a little bit more in just a while. But if you're a blogger, you want to stay tuned because this will going to save you a hell of a lot of time. Okay, we'll go over to the desktop and I will show you a little bit more exactly what it's about. Okay, so we're on the desktop here, and as you can see, I've created just like a demo page here within the Thrive Architect builder. Basically, if you don't know Thrive Architect, I'll put a link to a video in the description below where you can go and get more information about the whole plugin, about what you can do with it. But we're specifically going to talk about the new feature, which is called symbols. Okay, so you can just drag and drop elements over to your page here. But if we wanted a button, we could then drop that button below the paragraph and you've got a button straight away. Okay, so let's just delete that. So it just shows you what I've done. So I've just pulled in some text here, and what I've also done is built a mock-up of a sort of opt-in page where it's a double opt-in where people then just click on the button and it opens up a page where they can put in their email, etc., and get your gift or whatever you're giving away. So to make it into a symbol, they've now given basically any element you have dropped into a page. As you can see, when you highlight, there is now a little save symbol here, which then creates it into a symbol. So what's so exciting about a symbol is that you can then drop, once you've got that template, you can drop that symbol. So this is a complete symbol that I've created. You can drop that into any page you want. Okay, so let's just head over to a blog post I've got here. So this is just a blog post I've done a little while ago. So we'll just scroll down, and for argument's sake, let's say underneath here we want to put in a symbol. So we drag the templates and symbols icon across, and we're going to put it underneath the paragraph, and it's going to open up and it's going to say what do you want to actually insert. So we want to insert a symbol. Okay, and here it is, our dummy opt-in here. So we just click on that and then click choose symbol, and as you can see, it's dropped it straight away into the actual page. So we can then save this, and we can go and look at it actually out of Thrive. So we can exit Thrive and go and have a look at it in the page. And there it is in the page, as you can see, exactly the same as the one we've done on our demo one here. So there's nothing too exciting about that, because they used to do a template, so you could build that as a template and drop that in on a page. But what is more exciting is if you need to then go and actually make a change within this actual symbol. So let's, for argument's sake, let's click on this and we'll actually edit as a symbol, and then we'll go over to the button for argument's sake, and what we'll do, we'll change the color. So it's for, oh, that's not working very well, let's try a different color. So we can apply that and we can save and close the symbol, and then we'll just save the page. So what that now does, you've got these placed all over your website, all over your blog, every blog post. You don't want to then go and actually change every single one of those, because it will take you forever. Okay, so what is the amazing thing about the symbols is that once you make a change, it automatically updates it on every single similar symbol that you've got on your website. So for argument's sake, if you're using this to again promote an opt-in page, or you may have it to promote your Facebook page, or you can have it as a disclaimer, an affiliate disclaimer. Say maybe you had to change that, well, you'd have to go through every single page and change it. But if you've got it saved as a symbol, you change it in one, you update the symbol, and it's updated across. And let's just go and prove that. So we've got the what is affiliate marketing. That's the one I dropped it in the post. So we've got a red button there. We've obviously updated it. So let's just refresh the page. As you can see, it's changed to the yellow. So that is absolutely fantastic. So if we need to do anything like this, then you can use these symbols to build anything you want within Thrive. You can use it for headers, for footers. So if you change your footer or you change header, there's absolutely anything you can build with it. Okay, so I just wanted to explain that that new element that they've put in, which is going to save people a hell of a lot of time, especially when you're doing blogging, because you're doing loads of posts and you want to actually put content within that post, and then you might suddenly think, I've got to save that, I've got to change it, how do I do that? Oh, I've got to go for every single blog post. With this new element, you haven't got to do that. Okay, so that's it for this video. Obviously, if you need to know more about Thrive and what it can do for you, it's a fantastic plugin. It is a paid plugin. I am an affiliate to it as well, so I will tell you that up front. But it is absolutely super. I use it to build all my web pages and my blog posts, and it really does save you a hell of a lot of time, and it's a lot easier because you can see everything real time on the page, which you can't do with some of the other drag and drop actual plugins. Okay, that's it for this video, and we'll see you on the next video. Okay, bye for now. If you like this video and want to continue your learning, then please subscribe to my channel right now by clicking on me. Just follow the arrow. It's very simple. Don't forget, I also love to hear from you, so please leave your comments below. Until the next video, take care.